Hello guys, I'm Summer. Welcome to our day 2 on teaching Sassy girl to read and write.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Making broken lines so you'll fix it.
Oh, get this here. Get this here.
Not done yet, Sassy.
Ah. Oh. Kisoy. Kisoy. Look, Kisoy. Look, Kisoy.
Papa, ginawa kong long yung broken na pencil like this. Like that. No, not
May
like
pamalo
this.
nga, Papa.
Like this, Sassy, like hold it like this. Sassy, hold it like this. Hold it like this.
Okay.
Do you like
Nakuisip ko si Sasuke.
like that? No! Not like that. Do the other one. No, this one, Sassy.
This one.
Here's the letter A.
Huh?
Kumapit ka kaya.
One, two, three.
Medyo mahirapan po akong pasulatin siya at pagbasahin ngayon. Day 2, pero hindi po ako susuko. Kaya ko po to hanggang matuto siya magbasa at magsulat. Papateach ko po si Sassy paano mag-hold ng pencil. Ang sobrang hirap. Hindi kaya pa mo. Sinabi ko,
Hey, Papa.
tinulog
Hello,
siya.
Papa.
Imitate.
Hello, Papa.
Kaya,
It's you.
paparead ko na lang siya ng alphabet natin.
Kisoy is you. Kisoy.
Sassy. Ah,
Look.
ba, 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 ba,
Ba.
be,
Be.
bri,
Be.
bo, 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 boo. Wala. Walang mistakes. Ito naman, aba, iba, ubi. Kaya, please comment, like and share, and subscribe to our page to support our goal. Happy 500k views! Congratulations to me in advance! Salamat po!